Day 26, run 10 miles a day for 30 days. Feel like it's gonna be a good day. Let's do this. 5 miles in, feeling good. Woo! One step at a time. That's all you can do. The hardest thing is just being out here, time-wise, because you're out here for like 2 hours. But the pain itself, not so bad. Day 26, run 10 miles a day for 30 days. All done. Whew. It's going to be a good day. It was a good day so far. The run went by actually a lot faster. There's a crow crowing in that tree and it's looking at me. The run went by pretty fast. It actually felt shorter, surprisingly, than it actually was. I think I was at about an hour and 54 minutes, hour 55, somewhere around there. So that's like 11:30-ish pace. So, and then also that was partly because I'm trying to get more creative shots. So I would be putting this down, this GoPro down, and running back and then running forward and then grabbing and then going back to grab the GoPro back. So just to get some more overlay shots, because this thing is honestly super cool and I'm already learning so much with this thing. Like before I was clicking and then going like this, and then but it was too high, so I got to keep it more like level this way, like this. And then because I'm so used to going this way, going up, but it looks weird at that angle, so I gotta point it more this way. But overall, good run. Knees feeling good, body feeling good, a little bit of fatigue, but normal. It's, you know, I just am tired pretty much the rest of the day though, to be honest with you. I've been taking a nap. I usually take about a 20 to 30-minute nap, 45 minutes if I'm feeling really tired, and that usually helps because I've been getting around 7 hours of sleep a night, but after I do this run, and then I'll eat, and then I'll just be like, dang, I'm freaking tired. So sometimes I'll take a 30 to 45-minute nap, and that really rejuvenates me for the rest of the day. But honestly, I do feel pretty drained for the rest of the day, especially knowing that I have to do an additional 150 pull-ups because I've been doing 150 pull-ups a day as well. And I'm actually almost done with the yard work too, because the yard work is kind of strenuous. I've been doing, 30 minutes, 45 minutes of yard work, but I was 85% done. So I'll be done today, hopefully, maybe not, if not tomorrow. So that'll be less stress on my body, because I honestly do feel like crushed. I'm just like I'm like laying on the bed, or just laying on the seat, not laying, sitting on the seat and just doing my work, and I'm just like, I feel like slouched over, like gravity's hitting me this way. I mean, obviously gravity hits me this way, but I'm feeling like I'm extra slouched over and I'm just tired. So, but that comes to the territory, and that's what I signed up for. So, yeah, just can't believe I have, 4 more days left, 40 miles left. And yeah, just going back to feeling tired. I think an extra layer of me feeling tired is because I am hyper productive, or I've been trying to be as productive as I can be with this whole stay at home, can't go out, and then I'm also doing that 30-day challenges, and so that's made me hyper productive, or just more productive, and I want to be productive, but there's also kind of a point of diminishing returns, because I've noticed out of the 30-day challenges, I've probably kept up with about solidly, probably like so far every single day, probably probably in the high teens, like maybe 17, 18. And then but I've done most of it, like 25 out of the 30 pretty much every single day. But there are ones where I just physically, more mentally, I don't have time. Like practicing Chinese, that's really hard for me. Reading, sometimes, most days I'll read, but I'll read like 10-15 minutes instead of the 30 minutes that I want to. I do listen to a podcast every day pretty much, but I don't listen to a TED Talk every day, because I found that the TED Talk, because I want to be educated by the TED Talks, and sometimes the TED Talks are, one, either too long, or two, if they're too short, they're like not a topic that I want to, like, I don't care about the topic. So I ended up just listening to a podcast, and yeah. So sometimes there is a point of diminishing returns. You know, you can be so productive. I feel like I'm at that point where I am so productive that my energy is burnt. Like, I have no more mental energy by the end of the day. So it's just been exhausting, and I am excited to finish the 30 days, the 30-day challenges, so that I can not feel guilty about not trying, like, oh, I'm not going to study Chinese today, or I'm not going to listen to a TED Talk. But yeah, I feel good. I'm glad I did it though, because I am super productive. And then it's just a lot of learning for me, learning what I need to do and learning what I want to do and the ROI. And actually I've been spending a lot of time on YouTube trying to grow my YouTube presence and personal brand and my following. Actually, a little bit of secret, I been spending a lot of time on YouTube. No, it's not a secret that I spend a lot of time on YouTube, but I got 119 followers in the last 7 days. So my methods are working. So that's what I've been spending most of my time on, when I should be, studying for other things. But it's so addicting, and it's just rewarding to see my YouTube efforts pay off. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around this long. Thanks for following my journey. It's been a ride. I still have 4 days, so I'm looking forward to these 4 days. I'm really gonna try to enjoy the moments out there and to really just take it all in. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'd really help me out. See you tomorrow.